What's up guys, welcome back to the next video on learning C++ object-oriented programming. My name is QDS Dani and you guys watching my channel Coriowood. Okay, so in this video we're gonna see how we're gonna create a class TV, and we're gonna use two public instead of private. We're gonna use two public. So one for is gonna be for instead of the data hiding, we are not gonna hide our data. We're gonna put a say string, and the next one is gonna be for our methods, our functions. Okay, so we're gonna put a class, and our class is gonna be TV because we want to create a class TV. The first one's gonna be say public, and I said that before, and our public is gonna have a string, favorite channel, for example, our favorite channel. Okay, so what we want to do is that we have now public, and our public contains variable, and that's the type of the string, data type string, and we name it favorite channel, and we're gonna have another public, and this public is gonna have say a method. We call it method, our class functions. Okay, so outside the class we're gonna come and create our say we want to have a channel or whatever, void, and void we're gonna put a, say we want to put a channel. For example, if the TVs have a channel of say Geographic, National Geographic, or CNN, BBC News channel, whatever, so we're gonna create a channels, and the first one is we're gonna put a class TV, and we put a scope resolution operator, and then we put a say for example channel. So now we have a channel, and our channel is going to display one message because it's not returning anything. The only function this TV channel has is to display a message. So I'm going to put I love to watch my favorite, or you guys can put I love to watch whatever channel. So you can put an end line here. Okay, so now we have a class TV, and our class TVs have a public. There is a two public here. The first one is going to be the string favorite, and then the channel, and then the second one is going to be this void TV. Then we're going to put it now void say channel. Okay, so now I love to watch, and we need to put this favorite channel because that favorite channel, and we need to remove this, and we need to move here, and you go and put your handle here. Okay, so now we have included our method here, and we have string favorite channel, and we put it here. We have favorite F is missing. We put a F favorite channel, and now we're gonna come here and we put a TV, and what's our TV is gonna be? Say we put a TV as say for example T. We name it T. You guys can put a TV. You guys can put the name of the class, and you guys can put a B, C, X, Y, Z, T, whatever variable if you guys want. So through the T, we're going to access whatever is inside the class. Okay, what we want to access first of all the favorite channel. So we're going to see the T dot favorite channel. So this one's going to be the favorite channel. And what's my favorite channel? Say for example Cartoon Network, cartoon, for example. I know you guys like most of the channels, say music TV, or you guys like a CNN, SNBC, or whatever you guys like, or sports TV. Then I'm going to just put a Cartoon Network. So I just want to put this channel, and now I'm going to put a T dot channel. So I'm going to put a channel. Okay, so now I'm gonna come here and run to see if my class, so I have a class TV and I have a public access modifier here, and it's public, and this is keep in mind it's not a private, it's public. I have another one public here, and I put the name of my channel. It's got a void channel, and where is this void channel? Which void channel is outside the class? So keep in mind this is outside the class. I forgot to put the semicolon here. So it's outside the class. You guys can put this one inside the class if you can move everything here, and say this one's, you guys can move everything here, you guys can put it here, but you guys need to remove this void channel. You guys can do that, or you guys can do this way. It's up to you, whichever way you want, but if you put it here it's gonna look messy, but this one looks okay. So we have used this public inside this channel here, because this is a public. If you put a private, you can't access that. And here we have a TV, and the T is our variable name, and through this variable we use dot, just exactly like struct. We can access everything inside the class here, all the variables here, and we put a Cartoon Network, and now our favorite channel, and our favorite channel is going to be Cartoon Network, and now we are invoking this function here. Okay, so now we're gonna see if we have an error. So it looks like we don't have error, all is good. So we're gonna come here and we're gonna run, and you're gonna see that I love to watch and Cartoon Network. So that's how easy is that. Now our code looks very clean. So to see that, that's a C++ object-oriented programming. We have created a class, and our class got a say channel, and what is the channel? The channel is Cartoon Network. Okay, so then in C++ classes, as you guys know that now we have created object, and our object is say this Cartoon Network. So you guys can create a multiple or triple objects as well. So that's the beauty of the C++, without any changing anything here. So whatever you guys put it here, that's all fine. So you guys are gonna come here and say you guys wanna say create a different object. It's up to you. So you guys, if you guys wanna copy this, or you guys gonna come here in TV, just put the name of the class, and say you guys can put a TX, for example, X, because if you guys wanna say create a different objects. So now Cartoon Network is our channel, and this is object, and we have invoked our function through the use of our variable, class variable. Keep in mind this is a class variable, so we have accessed the variable. First of all, the string, which is the type, data type is string, we call it favorite channel. We put a cartoon, and here we have accessed that method here, which is this channel. I love to watch my say favorite channel, for example, my favorite channel, my favorite program, for example, program, or whatever you guys say, my favorite channel or my favorite program. Okay, so you guys have you have a class TV, and you have data type, which is a public, and anyone, if and when you say public, anyone can any channel, say our method here is accessing this favorite channel now. But if you put a private, you're gonna get error. You guys can access this one. So if I change this one to private, and you guys gonna see that we're gonna get an error, and C++ is gonna be extremely furious. And you're gonna see here is a private within this context. So it means you guys cannot access this favorite channel because that's it's in private. It means we're doing the data hiding. But you guys, if you need to put it public for this one to access. So when you put a public, then you guys can access this one. So you guys can create objects, and you guys access it here, and you guys access it here, favorite channel, and then we assign Cartoon Network, which is object, to this favorite channel, and here we want to create the multiple one. You guys can create 3 objects, 4 objects, up to you, as long as you guys have a class variable, this one, and this is because this is your class. You guys refer to C++ wants to know which class. Say you guys have another class, for example the same, you guys have a class computer, or you guys have a class fridge, or you guys have say class bicycle or class car, whatever. You guys can have as many classes as possible, as long as you guys gonna bring your class here and put some sort of variable here. For in this variable, now this class TV says that look, this is my representative, and this can do whatever I want to do inside the main. Okay, so now this X can we can create a different objects. So we put a X dot favorite channel, and my favorite channel is going to be National Geographic. Okay, so now my favorite channel is going to be National Geographic, or you guys can put a CNN, BBC. I just want to stay away from politics. Okay, so I'm gonna put a C just channel. Now I'm gonna access that. So if you guys notice here, the first one is class TVT, and this TV accessing the favorite channel and accessing the method, and this one is going to be accessing the same thing, but we have a different variable here. Instead of T, we have a X, and this X is we are assigning the National Geographic, and we are assigning and we are calling through that accessing the method. So if you're gonna come here, and if you guys gonna put, say for example, Cartoon Network here, so you can put either in NL, or you can put a next line, whatever. So we're gonna see for any error, we're gonna run our program, and we're gonna build our projects, and it looks like it's all good. And now if you run, you're gonna see I love to watch my favorite program is Cartoon Network, and I love to watch my favorite program, which is National Geographic. So now we in C++ through the class we have created objects. As you're gonna see that the Cartoon Network is object, and this one is object. You can create the next one if you want, and that's the beauty of the C++. But if you XY, so if you put TVY, and through this TVY you can put here, and you can put Y here, and now you guys can put a say any other music TV, for example, music TV. Okay, now you have created 3 objects. So the first object, the second one, and the third one. So when we run, and you're going to see that music TV, first one, Cartoon Network, second one, and third one. So that's the power of C++. And if you notice here, you guys did not modify anything on top. You guys using the same code. There is a convention droid, do not repeat yourself. You guys did not repeat anything. You guys just put a template, and your template is put a public, and you put another public here, and just you guys creating objects inside the main with different whatever you guys want. You guys can have 100, no problem. That's the beauty and power of C++. So C++ allows you guys to create objects, and you guys looking here, and you guys created one or not one object, just like Henry Ford created class car, and he put everything inside the function for tires, and put a steering wheels, engine, whatever. And now here at the production line, he's just creating the objects of that class, class sedan, class say turbo car, class Ford Falcon, our station wagon, our 2-seater, our 4-seater, whatever. Here you guys can create objects. So that's how it's create objects in C++. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you have any question or comment, leave in comment box. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.